Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add collaborators to Google Forms. First, open your preferred browser and go to google.com. Once here on the top right corner, click on the grid icon to open Google Apps. Here, look for the Forms app and click on it. Once on the Google Forms homepage, look for the form you want to share and open it. Once open, go to the top right corner and look for the Share button and click it. Here in the pop-up, you can edit who has access to the form. First, we will make sure that the editor view is not restricted. Now, on the box above, add the email you want to share the access with. Make sure you add them as an editor and send the invite. And that's it. Once the other person has accepted the invite, they will be able to edit the form too. Thank you for watching and hope this guide helped you.